That was a long day of massage, and I've been on my feet all day. And I know you're probably wondering, what can I do to help my feet feel better? Here's what you can do. Use a massage percussion device. I'll spare you the details of taking off my socks, but turn it on. Just enjoy it. I'm gonna hit all the parts of your foot, roll around that heel, and just make sure to avoid the bones because it doesn't feel good. But everything else feels good right here in the arch. Oof. Don't forget to show both feet some love. Take your time. Just enjoy the vibration. Oof. And that's how you recover from a long day at work.
I'm Stephen Conti, founder of Tokar Spa. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest self-care and wellness videos. Want to receive a personal massage at home? Learn about our couples massage lesson video series in the link above.